डे केअर सेंटर सेकंडरी स्कूल नाशिक. Science and Technology. First lesson, Heredity and Evolution. Today we will see transcription, translation and translocation. With the help of RNA, the genes present in the form of DNA participate in the functioning of cell and thereby control the structure and functioning of the body. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA, and synthesis of appropriate proteins as per requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through the RNA. This is called as central dogma. mRNA is produced as per the sequence of nucleotides on DNA. Only one of the two strands of DNA is used in this process. The sequence of nucleotides in mRNA being produced is always complementary to the DNA. Besides, there is uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. This process of RNA synthesis is called as transcription. The mRNA formed in the nucleus comes in cytoplasm. It brings in the coded message from DNA. The message contains the codes for amino acids. These codes for each amino acids consist of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codon. Dr. Hargovind Khurana, a scientist of Indian origin, has made an important contribution in discovery of triplet codons for 20 amino acids. For this work, he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1968 along with two other scientists. Each mRNA is made up of thousands of triplet codon. As per the message on mRNA, amino acids are supplied by the tRNA. For this purpose, tRNA has anticodon having complementary sequence to the codon on mRNA. This is called as translation. The amino acids brought in the tRNA are bonded together by peptide bonds with the help of rRNA. During this process, the ribosome keeps on moving from one end of mRNA to other end by the distance of one triplet codon. This is called as translocation. Such many chains come together to form complex proteins. These proteins control various functions in the body of living organisms